The 2022 BMW M4 is similarly basically as invigorating as its M3 kin, yet just it's accessible as a roadster or delicate top convertible. The base hardtop model comes only with back tire drive, a fantastic manual transmission, and an exhilarating 473 horsepower twin super straight 6. The opposition variation gets an upgraded 503 horsepower motor, a smart programmed gearbox, and novel case tuning that ought to finish in speedier lap times at the neighborhood circuit. Just the programmed M4 is accessible with all-wheel drive, and this smooth framework includes a float commendable back drive mode. No matter what the body style or power conveyance, the M4 is a hoot to hoon, and its ride is surprisingly polite while hunting zeniths isn't important for the day-to-day drive. We wish BMW gave it simple measures rather than incomprehensible advanced ones, and we'd favor less flexible drive mode settings, yet generally the 2022 M4 is superb to drive, and that is important. Valuing and which one to purchase. There are various valid justifications to spend the additional coin on the M4 rivalry, including the additional pull and force along with the possible accessibility of all-wheel drive. Notwithstanding, we'd pick the normal M4 justifiably, it's the only one with a wonderful manual transmission. We likewise select the lightweight and extra strong M carbon container seats as well as the M Drive Proficient Bundle and the M Drivers Bundle, which opens a higher maximum velocity and incorporates a one-day class for superior execution driving. Motor, transmission, and execution. The M4 is propelled by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six that comes in two potencies. The standard variant makes 473 strength and 406 pound-feet of force. It matches with back tire drive and a 6-speed manual transmission. In our testing, this arrangement shot to 60 miles per hour in 3.8 seconds and cleared the quarter mile in 12.0 ticks at 121 miles per hour. With 503 ponies and 479 pound-feet, the opposition model is even faster, however the solitary transmission decision is an 8-speed programmed. To balance the absence of a stick shift choice, just the M4 comp can be furnished with a back one-sided all-wheel drive framework. So prepared, the all-wheel drive M4 rivalry roadster shaved an entire second off the standard vehicle's 60 miles per hour time at our test track with a 2.8-second outcome. Each M4 accompanies versatile dampers, flexible brake pedal feel, and an electronically controlled exhaust framework that gets stronger in endlessly sport in addition to drive modes. The tumult can likewise be turned down whenever by pressing the M sound button. BMW additionally gives an unnecessary measure of customizable drive mode settings that we think can weaken the driving experience that BMW's specialists imagined.